If you're booking your flight through Emirates and you have a long layover in Dubai, like in our case, when we traveled from Canada to India, we had a long layover at Dubai, which was more than 10 hours. So in that case, you have this option called Dubai Connect Visa Request. So basically, Dubai Connect. So in my case, this was something new. So I had to chat with Emirates support team to understand how this works. And in my case, I'm a Canadian citizen. So the process was much more simpler than a citizen of many different countries. So in case you are from any other country other than Canada, it's better that check with the helpline staff on what the requirement is. Like as you can see here, to request this Dubai visa, which is Dubai Connect, you need to send this document to Dubai Connect at Emirates.com. So your passport, photograph, name of the passenger, booking, reference detail, ticket number, and email address. All this has to be shared. In my case, I did not have to do this for two reasons. One, I have an account with Emirates, so I just had to log into my account, and all our details were already there with Emirates. And being a Canadian citizen, I did not provide any of these documents. As you can see on the screen, all I had to do was go to my ticket, see if I am eligible for Dubai Connect. You can see on the screen I was eligible for, and I just had to click and confirm. So being a Canadian citizen, all I had to do was on arrival present my passport at the immigration counter, and stamping was done, and I was also given a SIM card free of cost. So this is something might be interesting to you. You don't have to look for a SIM card in Dubai. As soon as the immigration stamping is done, the officer will hand over a SIM card. If you are two adults, get two different SIM card, 1 MB each. You will be able to use for the time you are there in Dubai. And with this Dubai Connect, what all you get? First thing first is that you get a complimentary stay at hotel to take rest, and food and beverage. The hotel is again complimentary. The transportation to the hotel to and fro is again complimentary. And then once you check yourself into the hotel, you want to go and visit Dubai or explore Dubai, you have that option where you don't have to spend extra money. And if you're going out, of course, you will be paying for those expenses, having food outside, but within hotel where you're going to stay, everything will be provided to you. And they have super excellent facilities where you will be really taken care of. So friends, be aware of this Dubai Connect option. If you are from any other country, you may have to have this visa thing done prior. And as you can see here, this Dubai Connect visa will only be processed 14 days prior to departure and up to 48 hours before departure. So make sure have this valid visa in case it is required, and read this part completely, and that way you know what exactly you need. And like always, if you are confused, you don't know what the answer is, it is good point to call the helpline or chat with them and know what exactly is required from your end by giving all details like your nationality and others. So I hope find this video valuable and informative. Do share with your friends if they are traveling and have a long layover flight. If there are any other flight where you have such options, do comment and let me know. If there are any more airlines, I would be interested to know about information. Thanks, guys.